everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kicking it old school again. You guys remember those get ready with me videos that everybody did when they just put music over it and there was no chatty things? It wasn't like an official thing, it was just like turn the camera on, have some fun, just experiment with makeup by yourself and just wing it. Well, that's what I'm doing today, and I really hope you guys like it. All the products will be listed below because some of the lighting was kind of weird and the one gloss you couldn't even see, but I really actually like how this look turned out. I think it's really cool. I wanted something to match my necklace today. We just had a big nor'easter, so we have like literally a foot of snow, so it's like completely white outside, so the lighting is like kind of nice actually, I think. But I wanted something to reflect that, even though this is kind of like bright and coral. I don't know, I have fun with that sort of thinking, so the purple kind of makes it a little bit more wintry, which I really like, and the lip too, I really like that, and that kind of makes it more wintry. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, then just keep watching. outside my window right now. This is Very awkward. They're not looking here, but I feel very self-conscious. I try to climb over the sidewalk because there's so much snow out there. Okay, the one guy got over. Oh, now there's a third girl. Oh, I think we're wearing the same pajamas. This is very entertaining. Anyway, back to the makeup. Interrupt and say this orange shade sucks. Do you see how patchy that is on this eye? And I wet it too. really like it. Even though working with the orange didn't really seem to like work that well, I think it kind of works out alright. On camera it's looking a little bit washed out, but I think it's just the lighting. I'm going to take a picture and everything, and I'll post it on the screen for you as well as my Instagram, but in person it really actually is looking quite nice, so I'm very pleased with this. And it was really fun, like, looking back at the Sugar Pop palette. I haven't used this in forever. It just sits in my drawer and it's just so pretty, you guys. The shadows are not the best quality, but I have a feeling that is because I've had this for a very, very long time. But it's nice to like get re-inspired, and look at those colors. They're just so much fun. I was gonna put this mint blue in my, like where the purple is, but I was kind of feeling that sugar violet shadow, and I kind of wanted to see if I could hit pan on it. I have not been able to for the longest time, but look at all those dips, first of all. You guys see? But yeah, maybe one day soon I will revisit that shadow to join my look today with this palette. It's just fun to like pull out your really old school palettes. I know you probably can't get this anymore. Maybe you can, I'm not sure. I'll link it down below if you are able to pick it up. But I don't know, I just think it's such a cute little palette. So anyway, enough of me rambling. It was nice hanging out with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!